Imagine a world where nature is in balance, where we honour our connection to Papa Tuanuku, Mother Earth. We remember our role as kaitiaki, guardians of Te Taiao, our natural world. This is the vision of Te Tira Whakamātaki, the Watchful Ones. We're an independent Māori not-for-profit organisation working to restore our planet. We believe Indigenous peoples and their solutions are essential in protecting biodiversity. We work to amplify their voices, build capability, and provide vital information for decision making. We're focused on promoting and appropriately using mātauranga Māori, Māori knowledge, to support Māori-led research and system change. Through community engagement, research, education and advocacy, we mobilise people to re-establish their relationship with nature and their culture. We are guided by our kāhui, our Council of Elders, and the values they gave us, grounded in Te Tira Whakamātaki, the founding document of Aotearoa New Zealand. We are all a part of nature, not separate from it. It provides the air we breathe, food, and the joy we experience. We're here to be good ancestors. Join us in our mission to protect Te Taiao. Mauri ora.